Welcome to this rapid global tutorial video for the incident reporting package. My name is Jared, and in this video I will show you how to navigate the reports page and how to use the functions contained in it. To access the reports page, select the Reports tab at the top of the package. The Reports Subject drop-down menu will list all of the reports available for you to run on the data in your incident reporting system. Select your desired report, the state, the incident type, the incident status, and the date range. The default date range will be 1 month prior to today. Then select Generate, and you will retrieve the data for your selection. Thanks for watching this guide on how to use the reporting functions of your incident reporting package, and we'll see you again in another rapid global tutorial video.